Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are looking at a filing that might seem a bit dry, but sometimes the most important things are hiding in plain sight. Let's see what Halozyme Therapeutics has been up to. Did you know a new director just joined the board and is set to get paid handsomely for it? We'll break down how that works and what it means. And if you are into the deep stuff, make sure you are subscribed and join our Discord community linked below for more exclusive content. So what we have here is a Form 8K filing. Think of it as a company's way of telling the public about major events that are too important to wait for their regular quarterly or annual reports. It's like a running commentary on what's happening inside the company. The main event here happened on the 4th of December of last year. It's not a massive financial update like a big earnings report, but it does involve a change in the company's leadership structure. The big news is that James Lang was elected to the board of directors for Halozyme Therapeutics Incorporated. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, directors are the ones who guide the company's overall strategy and make sure it is being run properly. They are essentially the overseers. Mr. Lang is stepping into a role that will last until at least the company's stockholder meeting in 2027. This means he is expected to be a long-term player in shaping the company's future. And of course, being a director isn't a volunteer job, especially at a company like Halozyme. Mr. Lang will be compensated. This usually involves a mix of cash payments, which are like a salary for his time and expertise, and stock awards. These stock awards, like restricted stock and stock options, are a really interesting part. They are designed to align Mr. Lang's interests with those of the shareholders. If the company does well and its stock price goes up, his awards become more valuable. It's a way to make sure he's motivated to make decisions that benefit everyone who owns a piece of the company. They mentioned the specifics of this compensation program were detailed in their proxy statement for the 2025 annual meeting. So if you want the nitty-gritty on those payouts, that's where you'd look. Something important to note here is that the filing states there are no special agreements or understandings under which Mr. Lang was elected. This usually means he wasn't brought in to push a specific agenda, and there are no conflicts of interest, like him having a hidden business deal with the company that might influence his decisions. It sounds like a straightforward appointment. Halozyme Therapeutics Incorporated, or Halo as it is traded on the Nasdaq stock market LLC, is incorporated in Delaware and has been around for a while, as indicated by its commission file number. They are publicly traded with common stock listed on the Nasdaq. This means their stock is available for regular folks to buy and sell, and changes in leadership or business performance can directly impact the stock price. And finally, the report is signed by Mark Snyder, who holds a crucial role as Senior Vice President, General Counsel, and Corporate Secretary. This signature confirms the accuracy of the information being reported. Now, let's talk about what this all means. Adding a new director isn't always a game changer on its own, but it can signal shifts. Was Mr. Lang brought on to bring specific expertise perhaps in a challenging area of the business? Or is it part of a broader strategy to refresh the board's perspective, without more context from the company itself? It's hard to say definitively. However, their compensation structure, heavily weighted towards stock awards, is a positive sign for investors, showing a commitment to performance-driven rewards. The lack of related party transactions is also a good sign of good governance. On the flip side, this filing doesn't give us any deep insights into the company's financial health. This time around, it is purely an update on a board change. To get a real sense of how Halozyme is doing financially, we would need to look at their quarterly earnings reports, their 10Q filings, or their annual 10K filing. Those are the documents where you'll find the revenue numbers, profit margins, cash flow, and all the juicy financial details. This 8K is more about governance and personnel. So to wrap it up, Halozyme Therapeutics has brought a new member onto its board of directors, James Lang, who will be compensated through a program geared towards aligning his interests with shareholders. This is a standard corporate governance move. And while it doesn't reveal immediate financial performance, it is a piece of the puzzle in understanding the company's leadership and direction. What do you think about this board change and how companies compensate their directors? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community for discussions and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.